Orisheva. Oh na 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 na. YENDI NKASO. Into Krami Musa. Roja modon ponyenika. Ujinjene wantu awuntu wenda. Kanu krebi gumasumwai. Isoda po anenti asenena. Kama biti michoba bintra. Ojunu usa no de abodam. Obabi timi di show beme bieni. Ojunu usa na tunsanom. Entra modo nyenika. YENDI NKASO. Usted pas perfeno sunka hoda.
That's your man. Akan Ghanaian. Akan Ghanaian. Oh my God, that's what I'm saying. I'm preparing. I'm preparing now. Yeah. I'm preparing. And you're not gonna. That's your man. No. Show you. Yes, I'm doing that. And so, in the last of these, I did the work fair. They are fine. And the next time I confirm, I'm can't tell. No one is ever such a thing. I don't know what you're doing. So I'm doing fine. I'm not going to call the job. I'm a Muslim. When you can't go with the last time, I'm not for them. Oh, God, I'm sweet. I'm so good. Then it's not an open. I'm not for them. I'm not for them. I'm not for them. No call for you now.
And kwanya midi mani pay, senka nipa netoa. Oh, nipa ne chicha. Kasembesi, a job way at this gun shop. It's you know, it's I know the gun shop.
This is our nana dramas. This is me, my partner, and I'm.
Good afternoon. Afternoon, sir. Is this the house of Miss Abigail?
Yes, please.
Is she in the house?
Yes, please.
Please call her for me.
Okay.
Hello, sunshine.
Who is your sunshine?
Come on.
Roja modon ponyenika. Ujinjene wantu awuntu wenda. Kanu krebi gumasumwai. Isoda po anenti asenena. Kama biti michoba bintra. Ojunu usa no de abodam. Obabi timi di show beme bieni. Ojunu usa na tunsanom. Entra modo nyenika. YENDI NKASO. Usted pas perfeno sunka hoda.
That's your man. Akan Ghanaian. Akan Ghanaian. Oh my God, that's what I'm saying. I'm preparing. I'm preparing now. Yeah. I'm preparing. And you're not gonna. That's your man. No. Show you. Yes, I'm doing that. And so, in the last of these, I did the work fair. They are fine. And the next time I confirm, I'm can't tell. No one is ever such a thing. I don't know what you're doing. So I'm doing fine. I'm not going to call the job. I'm a Muslim. When you can't go with the last time, I'm not for them. Oh, God, I'm sweet. I'm so good. Then it's not an open. I'm not for them. I'm not for them. I'm not for them. No call for you now.
And kwanya midi mani pay, senka nipa netoa. Oh, nipa ne chicha. Kasembesi, a job way at this gun shop. It's you know, it's I know the gun shop.
This is our nana dramas. This is me, my partner, and I'm.
Good afternoon. Afternoon, sir. Is this the house of Miss Abigail?
Yes, please.
Is she in the house?
Yes, please.
Please call her for me.
Okay.
Hello, sunshine.
Who is your sunshine?
Come on, at least you offer me a seat or something.
Offer you a seat. Joe, and then now you are. Why are you stalking me?
Since you're not gonna offer me a seat or something, I just have to speak my mind right here. Abigail, I can't live without thinking about you. I can't do anything without thinking about you. I'm getting crazy.
Oh, Badam. And you're being
Don't touch me.
Hey! Eto mo ba Ghana no? Wo ma just Abigail. Abigail na wani wa mo.
Ma.
Me so mentra ho e ma wo love no. Mentra ho nya hwe ma wo love Abigail. Se wo ni mu a ni kusa man bufu no obetwetwa woni so ma wa na abenkwa o ba fa so. Sasai.
Mom.
Wo papa wo papa so na ka che say. Ni kuro ento ampa mama bia. Mama,
Has it gotten to this?
Yeah.
No, Mom, with due respect, please. Abigail know about me, Penno. I like everything about her.
What's your mama? What Ghana? Me say, Emma Sonne or chance of come. It will never happen.
We are in the computer age, okay? You don't choose for me, I choose for myself.
Oh, I really mean, and I choose near Yana also. I'll choose a good thing for you. Joe, sorry, I'm going to have a time. Computer well. I am a time, Papa Chebibia. Computer no FD, Olipa. Asante Akan computer was over now. Nipa was over. Because I know computer well, no. You can't solve your polo. And that dear Joe. Mama, what do you probably might begin once he have you? Won't it?
Has it gotten to this?
Yes! Hold it!
Mom! No, Mom, like seriously?
Seriously busy.
Damn! Is there something I should know? No, Mom! Lady, change the home.
Na Ede.
Come on, and let me home with a change.
Sa?
I'm not doing it.
No, the dear dra.
Yes,
you ya.
Another change.
You know, be too good, say, yeah. Oh, say, Susan, and one, mamma, and the Galley, Tinuan, so that's,
It's my okay, we did change that. We did. Why are they?
I love you.
I love you too.
Darling. Wouldn't say me tonton your man kakra.
Yeah.
Take a batch on me piece kakra. Come here, so me see kakra. Ama me you match kakra.
Sir.
Come me pay 25,000.
25,000.
Bachelor.
What that is so? Maybe 50,000 more. Why? Maybe 50,000. Some do for me.
Thank you, darling.
Me do. I want to tell you now. Yeah, who see? Oh, maybe 50,000 straight.
Yes.
Yeah, mommy, sign check the grandma see. Why? Yeah.
I love you, darling. Thank you, darling.
Just because I'm saying, dear, darling, so
I love you so much.
Maybe Pia, why? Anyhow,
we don't.
Anyhow, cry.
And the young for back on so sway.
Match, maybe. I'm far back in this one.
What?
I want to name money.
Thank you. Sit down. God bless you. Let me show it.
I am one by some years can be. So, it's kind of bad.
If I may say, Miss Patricia,
We are now to me a day in a year.
amen.
And a pay. But I never cried any pediatrician. Sometimes I was a baby and a penny and now kind of.
Amen.
Until they come and never will I home. None I become be a near baby and she will take on anyway. I don't mean to amen.
Amen.
Oh, no, what do you say?
Abigail.
A big girl. Hey, Madame for me, about a friend Abigail of Abigail. Do me who be out dear Abigail, Namakai. Yeah. None of pay a dinner and old by me.
Oh, ma. Maybe high in your bonnet. Madame for be a seminam at the tea, Mona be betray my dream so. Betray you, mutual. And I'll recommend a woman. Some membra, Namin be whom. Namin show the Yami. Now be boami. A muntia nama. A mammy to 2 anamo. About winning any day.
Madame for no boy. Yameda boati.
Dinner meas.
I didn't know how near to tear one no more. Dear Kunza.
Ma, you couldn't baby. Money waging. Intimate don't bear me be a don't cranny me be a being in my coming. Ma, a member pea, Abba Queen. Archers or more person or money bobra or more worry me. And so, ma, me not to be a more say. Many a dream for say, I want to settle down with them.
I don't know, call me a blood cabinet.
Ma, me couldn't blood covenant. But a draw Me kunu da na di kyerɛ me no. Said ya ne ya te ye ho ase ma. Said ya do ye ho esifa no. Ma min chinti sabe me bia wo wiase a. Obetimi adom ti se me kunu.
Jaka. Ende jaka. Nyame bamu a obedo foforo ate. Nyame de ne wo yo no kwa na te ne wo yase. Ena wo kunu na wo no so. Okọ ense ahode ene nipa bia ni awufo ni satiasefo ene ye wo nipa na chese nipa bi wo homa enti wo kunu de wo amane nkwata din na ba bia woda no kura no se ne wusu a wotete no o ma ne kwa amane da ono kura odwene se obenya be ma foforo no wado se de ono so do no enti ma wo kwan wo ho ofe se wo mo wo ma se
Mami ba.
O ya baya wo fe etinyame o ma wo kwan na wa do ni pa foforo na wa ma wa hye abrabo foforo ase wate nti yesu yo how ya titini na fi wo kon na fa wo misi awade so sanse wo no na me pa wo ni mu ono na bedumo be ma obabua
Amen.
ama wo kule wo ono so wa da bia wo da ti na tuni madada ni nyina gu wate na nyame wo mmoa na wo ho ofe why
Anyama let's go.
na nyame onka ho jo o se de nyame na hyase ti de ni bewie o nyame atimi ade nyina ye e da wase se de hyase ma wo ba mu ya ma ye nkomo ye so awie peye adom ne nti amen na was it the Abigail
Wow. That's kind of rare.
When you're
Toyota RAV4. Ah, red color is so fair.
Yeah.
We are here. Cars in every salon. Yokohama. Hama 3. Oh, super. And nice, oh. I fall to that. So that show me.
Where Land Cruiser?
Where then?
Land Cruiser, Toyota Land Cruiser. V8.
Toyota Land Cruiser. V8. Maybe pay way sit.
No problem.
I love you, darling.
Yeah, no problem. Then check inside. Yeah.
Okay.
Check inside.
Okay, that's. Oh, nice.
No problem.
Oh, darling.
I already have.
Yami Shra, what
Don't confess, I'm in the
Land Cruiser fee. It's my light.
I
love you.
I love you too. No, my can't don't hear beyond some kind of right.
Hello. Yeah, good afternoon. I'm doing okay. Yourself? Fine. Pastor, why not cussing? Joe? Joe Bam. Oh, Joe, yeah. Let's say. Joe, listen to me. I've told you 1,000 times without number. Stay clear of me. Do you understand? For Christ's sake, I am not interested in you. And then I won't see us here. Listen, what at all you want from me, and then I will share free me. Joe, mi wokunu, jai my bravo, mommy. Oh God. It's really a sure pass if I go out on a date with you just once. I mean once. I'm really serious about what I'm telling you. You leave me alone. Hey, I'm serious. Alright. But hey, I'm really serious. Just once and nothing else, nothing more. Do you get me? Oh God. Okay. Time, venue. Alright, I'll be there. Jeez, this guy's really crazy, man. Oh, shit.
You are funny.
Me, I'm funny. Moi, Abigail. Jayasema Awakacha. When Awakacha na yesre na mesre. In that I will have some fun.
I never knew you could be this so funny.
Anyway, Joe, can you tell me something, about yourself, like what you were doing out there in the States, where you were living, and why you are in Ghana?
Well, let me start by saying, yeah, we Ghana, okay?
That is it! And nothing I will keep you very sano. All this one, I told someone spending all your life for bridge.
Oh, no. I was just cooling there, okay?
That's lovely. Into what are you doing in life? Then I'll hear what happens.
Well, I did business administration, so I decided to come to Ghana and do some research. And also, I'm trying to see if I can set up 1 or 2 companies in Ghana.
Oh, wow, that's nice.
But the most important thing, my mom is on my neck.
Why?
That I'm not getting any younger, so I have to get myself a wife. Yeah. And and she says she doesn't want me to choose any white girl. So I have to come home and pay for my motherland.
Oh, okay. But you said Simaka cry after to Hong Kong. After you are a little bit quiet, right? Are you the quiet type?
Whoa. I like talking when I'm with guys, actually. But in front of a beautiful, gorgeous lady like you, make me speechless.
Oh my God,
No, not exactly. I just want to be sure that if you are really single.
Oh na EMMR3 NKASO Ninti kurami musa Troja modon ponye nika Ujunjune wonso awuntumenda Kanu krebi gumasumwai Kisoda powe ninti asenena Kama biti mito baby intro Ojune wonsa no de abodam Obabi timi di show beme bieni Ojune wonsa na tunsanom Entra modo nyenika Yasemo Nanso kai unuse umpoku yesisi oda Bedi mebi ne wuso mwentu minchina Uses pass pefe nuso unka hoda Bedi mebi ubema mpo enye ejuma Oda umpoku yesisi oda Prise EMMR3 NKASO Uses pass pefe nuso unka hoda EMMR3 NKASO Ufomu fefa wudi boje Oda EMMR3 NKASO Ufafa ifefa wudi chimei EMMR3 NKASO wati
Panini no down on the number fra. The 2 for you bemeni. Panini no be da number fra.